Nestled in the heart of Jharkhand, Lohardaga is a town that whispers tales of natural beauty and cultural heritage. This quaint town, often overlooked, is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. From its lush green landscapes to its rich historical sites, Lohardaga offers a unique blend of tranquility and adventure. As you wander through the town, you'll find yourself surrounded by the serene beauty of nature. The hills that cradle Lohardaga are not just a sight to behold, but also a testament to the town's enduring charm. The panoramic views from these hills are nothing short of breathtaking, offering a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. It is a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to soak in the peaceful ambience. The slow-moving rivers and the tranquil forest scenes create a perfect setting for relaxation and reflection. Here, you can truly disconnect from the chaos of everyday life and reconnect with nature. Lush forests embrace cascading waterfalls, creating a symphony of sights and sounds that soothe the soul. These natural wonders are not just visually stunning, but also offer a refreshing experience for those who seek solace in nature. The waterfalls, with their gentle yet powerful flow, are a reminder of the beauty and strength of the natural world. Ancient temples stand as silent witnesses to history, each with its own story to tell. These historical sites are a testament to the rich cultural heritage of Lohardaga. As you explore these temples, you'll be transported back in time, experiencing the grandeur and spirituality that has been preserved through the ages. This is Lohardaga, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Its scenic landscapes and historical treasures make it a perfect destination for travelers seeking both beauty and history. The town's charm lies in its ability to offer a peaceful retreat while also providing a rich cultural experience. Lohardaga's charm lies in its serenity. The calm and peaceful rural scenes are a stark contrast to the fast-paced life of the cities. Here, you can take a leisurely stroll through the countryside, breathe in the fresh air, and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. It is a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The quiet forest paths and serene village scenes offer a perfect setting for those looking to unwind and rejuvenate. Whether you're hiking through the forests or simply enjoying the tranquility of the village, Lohardaga provides a refreshing break from the daily grind. Whether you are a nature lover or a history enthusiast, Lohardaga has something to offer everyone. The town's diverse attractions cater to a wide range of interests, making it an ideal destination for all types of travelers. From exploring ancient sites to hiking through lush forests, there's no shortage of activities to enjoy. Lohardaga has something to offer everyone. The town's natural beauty and historical significance make it a must-visit destination. Whether you're exploring the waterfalls, visiting historical sites, or simply taking in the scenic views, Lohardaga promises an unforgettable experience. Come, let us embark on a journey to uncover the treasures of this enchanting town. Lohardaga invites you to explore its hidden gems and experience its unique charm. The adventure awaits, and the town's beauty and history are ready to be discovered. Lohardaga is a place of vibrant cultures and traditions. The town's cultural festivals and traditional performances offer a glimpse into the rich heritage of the region. The local markets, bustling with activity, provide an opportunity to experience the local way of life and indulge in some unique shopping. The warm hospitality of the locals will make you feel right at home. The people of Lohardaga are known for their friendliness and welcoming nature. As you explore the town, you'll be greeted with smiles and open arms, making your visit even more memorable. So pack your bags and get ready to be enchanted by the magic of Lohardaga. This hidden gem is waiting to be discovered, offering a perfect blend of natural beauty, historical significance, and cultural richness. Your adventure in Lohardaga promises to be an unforgettable journey filled with wonder and discovery. Lohardaga is located on the Chota Nagpur Plateau. This gives it a unique geographical character. The town is surrounded by hills, forests, and rivers. This creates a landscape of breathtaking beauty. The climate in Lohardaga is pleasant throughout the year. The summers are mild and the winters are cool. This makes it an ideal destination for those seeking respite from extreme weather. The town is blessed with abundant natural resources. The forests are home to a wide variety of flora and fauna. The rivers teem with aquatic life. This makes Lohardaga a paradise for nature enthusiasts. No trip to Lohardaga is complete without a visit to the majestic Lavapani waterfall. This cascading wonder of nature is a sight to behold. The water plunges from a height, creating a thunderous roar. Surrounded by lush greenery, Lavapani waterfall offers a sensory treat. The cool mist on your face and the sound of water crashing against rocks are simply invigorating. It is a perfect spot for a picnic or a day of relaxation. The waterfall is also a sacred site for the local tribes. They believe that the water has healing powers. Whether you believe in legends or not, a visit to Lavapani waterfall is sure to leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. For nature lovers, Bursa Upvan Biodiversity Park is a must-visit destination. This sprawling park is a haven for a wide variety of flora and fauna. Take a leisurely stroll along the nature trails and immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. The park is home to numerous species of birds, butterflies and insects. Keep your eyes peeled for the colorful kingfishers darting among the trees. You might even spot a deer or two grazing peacefully in the meadows. Bursa Upvan Biodiversity Park is a testament to Lohardaga's commitment to conservation. It is a place where you can reconnect with nature and learn about the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity. Section 5, Ancient Echoes, the Kekpata Shiva Temple. Steeped in history and spirituality, the Kekpata Shiva Temple is a significant landmark in Lohardaga. Nestled amidst lush greenery, this temple stands as a beacon of devotion and architectural brilliance. The temple's serene surroundings add to its spiritual aura, making it a perfect place for meditation and reflection. This ancient temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and is believed to be over 500 years old. The intricate carvings and detailed sculptures found here are a testament to the craftsmanship of the artisans of that era. Each carving tells a story, depicting various mythological tales and legends associated with Lord Shiva. The temple's architecture is a blend of traditional and modern styles. The traditional elements reflect the ancient Indian temple architecture, while the modern touches ensure the structure's durability and relevance in contemporary times. This fusion creates a unique aesthetic that appeals to both devotees and architecture enthusiasts. The Kekpata Shiva Temple is not just a place of worship, but also a cultural hub. It serves as a center for various cultural activities, including music and dance performances, art exhibitions, and spiritual discourses. These events attract visitors from all over, fostering a sense of community and cultural exchange. It hosts several religious festivals and gatherings throughout the year. During these times, the temple comes alive with vibrant decorations, traditional music, and the fervent prayers of devotees. Festivals like Mahashivaratri and Navratri are celebrated with great enthusiasm, drawing large crowds who come to seek blessings and participate in the festivities. The temple is a testament to the town's rich cultural heritage and religious harmony. It stands as a symbol of unity where people from diverse backgrounds come together to celebrate their faith and traditions. The temple's history is intertwined with the history of Lohardaga, making it an integral part of the town's identity. A visit to the Kekpata Shiva Temple is a journey back in time. As you walk through its ancient corridors, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, feel the presence of the countless devotees who have worshipped here over the centuries, and witness the timeless beauty of its architecture. The serene atmosphere and ancient vibes will transport you to an era gone by. The tranquil surroundings provide a perfect setting for introspection and spiritual growth. Whether you are a devotee seeking divine blessings or a traveler exploring historical sites, the temple offers a unique experience that stays with you long after your visit. It is a place where you can seek blessings and find solace in spirituality. The temple's peaceful ambience and the divine presence of Lord Shiva create an environment conducive to spiritual awakening and inner peace. A visit to the Kekpata Shiva Temple is not just a journey to a historical site, but a pilgrimage to the soul. Section 6, a tapestry of cultures, tribal heritage of Lohardaga. Lohardaga is home to a rich tapestry of tribal cultures. The major tribes residing here include the Munda, Oran, and Karia. Each tribe has its unique customs, traditions, and festivals, adding to the cultural vibrancy of the town. The tribal communities of Lohardaga are known for their close connection to nature. Their lives are deeply intertwined with the forests and rivers. Their traditional dances, music, and art forms reflect their love and respect for nature. Experiencing the local tribal culture is an enriching experience. You can witness their traditional dances, listen to their folk songs, and learn about their way of life. It is a reminder of India's diverse heritage. Section 7, Nature's Bounty, exploring the biodiversity. Lohardaga is a paradise for nature enthusiasts. The region is blessed with a rich biodiversity, from dense forests to cascading waterfalls. Explore the hidden trails, discover secluded waterfalls, and immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. The forests around Lohardaga are home to a wide variety of medicinal plants. The locals have been using these plants for centuries to treat various ailments. Take a guided tour to learn about the traditional uses of these plants. Whether you're a seasoned trekker or a casual nature lover, Lohardaga has something to offer everyone. pack your hiking boots, grab your binoculars, and get ready to be amazed by the natural wonders of this hidden gem. Section 8. Getting there and around. Transportation and best time to visit. Lohardaga is well connected by road and rail to major cities in Jharkhand and neighboring states. The town's strategic location makes it accessible for travelers coming from various parts of the country. Whether you're traveling from the bustling city of Ranchi or from neighboring states, you will find multiple options to reach this serene destination. The nearest airport is in Ranchi, which is about 65 kilometers away. Ranchi Airport is well connected with major cities across India, including Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata, making it convenient for both domestic and international travelers. Upon landing at Ranchi Airport, you will find various transportation options to continue your journey to Lohardaga. From Ranchi, you can hire a taxi or take a bus to reach Lohardaga. Taxis are readily available at the airport, and the journey by road offers a scenic view of the Jharkhand countryside. Alternatively, buses provide a more economical option and are frequent, ensuring you can find a ride at almost any time of the day. The best time to visit Lohardaga is during the winter months, from October to March. During this period, the weather is cool and pleasant, making it perfect for sightseeing and outdoor activities. The winter season brings out the natural beauty of Lohardaga, with clear skies and comfortable temperatures. The weather is pleasant during this time, making it ideal for outdoor activities. You can enjoy hiking, picnicking, and exploring the local attractions without the discomfort of extreme heat or humidity. The winter months are also a great time to experience the local culture and festivals, which are celebrated with much enthusiasm. The monsoon season from July to September is also a good time to visit if you enjoy the rain. The landscape transforms into a lush green paradise, and the rain brings a refreshing change to the environment. However, be prepared for occasional heavy showers and plan your activities accordingly. The monsoon season offers a unique experience, with the countryside coming alive in vibrant shades of green. Once you're in Lohardaga, you can easily get around by hiring local taxis or auto rickshaws. These modes of transportation are convenient and affordable, allowing you to explore the town at your own pace. The local drivers are usually friendly and knowledgeable about the area, making your travel experience smooth and enjoyable. For exploring the nearby attractions, it is advisable to hire a local guide. A guide can provide valuable insights into the history and culture of Lohardaga, ensuring you don't miss out on any significant landmarks or hidden gems. They can also help you navigate the area more efficiently, making your visit more enriching and memorable. Section 9. Conclusion. Lohardaga, a tranquil escape. Lohardaga is a town that has something to offer everyone. Whether you are a nature lover, a history enthusiast, or simply looking for a tranquil escape, Lohardaga will not disappoint you. From cascading waterfalls to ancient temples, from vibrant tribal cultures to serene biodiversity parks, Lohardaga is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. As you bid farewell to this enchanting town, you will carry with you memories of its natural beauty, cultural richness, and the warmth of its people. Lohardaga is a place that will stay with you long after you have left its shores. So pack your bags, embark on a journey to Lohardaga, and discover the magic that awaits you in this hidden paradise.